So now, Siva, you explain what all the tasks you have done so far from the beginning, from the Excel sheet.
Okay.
Go through the Excel sheet.
Yeah. So basically, this is our tracking of our linear regression model for car price prediction. So basically, these are the steps, activities. Step one, defining the problem and set the objective. These are the tasks for related to the activity, and this is the low level subtask related to the task. So we are focusing mainly from step two, gathering and preparation of data. So for our car price prediction model, basically we are collecting the data, synthetic data from the chat GPT or Copilot itself. So I created uh, random some data, car price prediction model data from chat GPT. Then after that, I formatted and stored the data CSV file in the form of CSV file. This is about our data preparation and collection. After that, we are moving into the data pre-processing and cleaning part. So here, whatever we have the data, collection of data, so we are going to do some data pre-processing techniques like removing the missing values, then drop any empty rows, like empty values are there in our data columns, then filling the missing values with some average mean value or mode value, default values. Then also if we have any negative values, then in task 4 we are also removing the negative values as well as unreasonable values, is nothing but outliers, any extreme values. And these are the subtasks. Like okay, we'll discuss first in handling missing values. This is the where the script identifying and display the how many number of missing values are there in each column. This is the task 1. So after that, this is task 2. Complete, we are dropping the empty rows. If we have any empty rows in our data, we are dropping that empty rows. This is a level task, removing any rows that are entirely empty. All columns have none values. If in that case, drop the complete row. Then task 3 is filling missing values with the defaults. So basically, we have some data with missing values in our data columns. So for that, we are defining a dictionary of default values for each column. So it will add a average mean or mode value in the missing value of that particular column of the particular feature. Then apply these default values to fill the missing none values of the particular each column, whatever missing value is there. Then after that, we are removing the negative values as well as unreasonable values, extreme values from our data set. So for that, first we need to identify what are the columns that should not contain negative values. First, once we identified the columns which do not contain any negative values, then remaining negative values is there in other columns. So for that, we need to replace the negative values in these columns with the median of the respective column, like a respective column of the feature, the average median value, by replacing these negative values. After that, we are doing converting the data types. So here in our data set, we have the year. Year column is there. So here it make ensure the year should be stored as an integer data type, and also the owner feature. So this data column also should be stored as an integer value. Then after that, we are checking the missing values again. Once we did fifth task, now we are going to check the missing values. Still, if we have any missing values are available in our data set. So this will recheck and display the how many number of missing values to confirm whether the missing values are there or it is completely removing from our data set. So once we check and we confirm the successful of the clean data, then we are moving into the save the clean data file in the CSV format. So this is the subtask, like saving the cleaned data frame into a new CSV file. Then after that, this is one more script for all tasks. So we did like each one task by task. Now I created one more script, data validation script, about all these tasks. And it will check missing values and it will check the invalid negative values. Still, if it is there, the script will identify and it will detect and it will give you have the missing values. It will show if you have, otherwise it will say your data is ready for next step. So these are the tasks involved in data
Okay,
preprocess.
can you show the programs one by one by running them, by showing the data also? Input files, output files, all those things.
So, this first file is for creating data set, year, selling price, car name. These are our data columns. This is about creating data, synthetic data, car data. This file, first one. Here we are like giving the missing values in here, like 8% missing in selling price, then 5% missing in present price of our data set. These are the some percentage of missing values we are included in the script. So once we got the generated synthetic data, car data, like these values. Next one, yeah, this one, formatting. Of this one. Yes, we have. This is our script about step 3, data preprocessing. So if you see our
Can you show the data files, input files for that script? Open the data, you just show the data also.
okay, synthetic car data. This is our test data.
This is a test data you created it, right? With another Python script.
Yes, sir. Yes. First.
Okay. Okay. You show map these columns to the particular code snippet where it is reading and converting. Go through the script, each code snippet, you show the data also related to that snippet.
Yeah. First task is checking missing values before cleaning. This will print the missing values before cleaning. What are the missing values we have before cleaning? It will print the all the missing values. Then the step like task 2 is drop completely empty rows. If in our data set, uh, yes, if any row is completely empty, then it will remove that. So there are no like empty, full empty rows. Maybe minimum 3 or 4 empty values are there for each column, but not all are not empty. But anyway, I have given this any empty rows are there, you can drop that empty particular row. Then third test task is filling missing values with appropriate defaults. So if we have missing values, so obviously we have missing values. So with car name, default values unknown. Then year, this year with we are doing missing value with appropriate median value. So what the average median value, it will adjust by replacing this missing value with the median of the particular column of the year. Then selling price, it will also replace the missing value with the median value of the selling price of the data column, selling price. Then present price. Similarly, this present price, kilometers driven, fuel type, all are replacing the missing values with the median or mode values of the overall average data.
Can you show what are the wrong values in the data and what are the corrected values it has done? Did you find any wrong values in the data files?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah. So, okay, I will show. So these are the we discussed the tasks in step 3, data pre-processing, like removing negative or any extreme values from these data columns. So yeah, after that we are converting the data types for the necessary columns. And then after that we are checking the missing values after cleaning. So because we want to know whether missing values are there or vanished.
No, hold
So
on,
for
hold on.
that I am
Each code snippet wise, there are validations. Each code snippet wise, you map to the data related to that code snippet. Open the Excel file and show the data there, the input value, input files. Then later on, the changed file also you show for that records. You have to show that like a demo, right? Data demo also. First you show related to that particular code snippet, what are the wrong values. Then how conversion also, what was the data and what it is converted, that also.
so in 6 row we have empty values there here.
Okay, records it's you have empty values for what is that?
Present
Column name?
price, present price.
Right?
These
And
three,
kilometers driven. Okay. Then
yes, fuel type
final
also. Fuel.
type. Okay. 3 columns
Then
are very long.
this one owner also. We have 4 empty values
4
in the
columns.
6th. Yeah, Mahindra XUV 500 car.
Right, but how you are going to fill through the script? What are the validations and how it is filling? You show that code snippet. for this record, how it is processed in the Python script.
Okay, so for these missing values, we are replacing with the whole average median of the particular value. So
The
for
whole
that,
average medium of the 1,000 records, or how it is taking?
yes, 1,000 records of the average median value we are taking.
Hmm.
Here,
Oh, it is
here
filling
in
that
yes,
uh,
in
cell basically in that cell.
yes, in selling price, we are taking the median value of the particular column, total column.
Okay. Now, can you show the output file for this updated data file? You have executed the script, right? You have created the
Yes,
updated
this
file.
final,
Show me
yeah, final
the updated
cleaned
file for that
this one.
record number 6. Record number 6, Mahindra XUV, right? Okay. Uh, oh, okay. Uh, what are the columns? It refilled. It filled.
This one we have. Okay, now let us see our synthetic data. Okay, we have empty values, present price, kilometer driven, fuel type, and owner. Four values we have missed in general test data for sixth number, Mahindra for Mahindra. So here the average median of the particular column of the value it has replacing with latest one is the present price for the sixth record. It has taken 30, the average median value, and for kilometer driven it has taken 1,56,205.
Oh, okay.
And for
Average
fuel,
mean value.
yes, sir. For fuel type, it considered as the electric record. And
Oh, it
for
replaced
owner, it
the vehicle type also, fuel type also.
yes, sir, yes,
Fuel type it replaced it as electric.
electric.
Okay. Next record, next code snippet. Go to Python script.
This is about filling missing values. And also, task 4 is about removing negative values as well as unreasonable means some extreme values, outliers. They are like a very long range of selling price, like 50 lakhs above values are extreme, that kind of values, unreasonable values. In the particular columns, year, selling price, present price, kilometer driven, owner. So in this particular columns, if there are any negative values or any unreasonable values, so clean that values to the median values. So that one also replace with median values of the particular row column, particular row data. After that, we are converting the data types. So here we are converting the year and
You
owner
have
to
shown
the
for that code snippet what is the data, source data, and updated data. Like earlier, you have shown the same way.
this is only one file, sir. I got one synthetic data file.
Yeah, well, within that one file, data correction, if it is there, that also you can show, like how you showed for that vehicle.
Okay,
Four
any
digits.
negative values, right?
Negative values. You
We
can
are
show that in the data,
okay.
right?
Now
Source data.
we will search. Yeah, we are searching for negative values. I think
What is the definition for negative values? So negative values means what? What are those? what are the validations, how it does to find the native values.
Can we do sort?
Yeah, you can sort it. Go to custom. That is easy, right? Bottom custom should be there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you take that field, which one you want to sort.
Okay. Here we are taking uh, removing is okay. Selling price, present price. Okay, we will take selling price.
Negative value is even if
Selling
it is
price.
zero value, that is also coming under negative value, right?
Yeah, including zero also.
Yes. Because it is mandated to have some values.
Same, smallest to largest. Okay.
There are null values, right? Row,
Yes,
some
sir.
row.
Yeah, it is showing null. Yeah. Yes.
Those also can be considered as negative values, right? Then how it is replacing that field in like in the earlier script, you can see that. But this
Here
null
somewhere
values can come
some.
into the previous code snippet also, right? It may not be under negative
Mm-hmm.
values. You have taken previous this one, right?
So this value
Uh,
0.7.
for which one? Which column? Selling price term. These
Uh,
also can be negative values. Yes. But what is the average selling price value? It should be because all are there below. No, are these prices are
mm,
in lakhs or what?
yeah, lakhs only. Lakhs.
Lakhs. Then you should column should have been there like price in rupees lakhs. Title
We
should have been
need
there.
to.
The Python script while generating the data, you can update actually price in lakhs. Rupees.
Mm,
What are you searching
so
for?
this zero less than zero is think
You have blank fields, right?
yes from
See, you have to see these columns or these rows in the output file. What it is corrected, what it is added, the values.
yeah this 921 from 921.
See the same.
Yeah, this one is selling price. Third row
Actually, you
is
have to create one ID for that car. Basically, you are taking the Excel rows only, but you should not take Excel rows. Excel rows can change it when it is rewriting the file. You can't identify exactly the same record sometimes. So what you need to do, like what we did for applicant ID, claim ID, insurance underwriting model, the same way you should have one ID, car ID. Then according to that, you can track it in the output file. In the source
yes,
script,
yeah.
while creating the test data, you need to add that field.
Yes, one more field.
Yes. And rupees also you can add rupees in lakhs or something, whatever figures are there.
Mm-hmm.
Then selling prices also you need to check it. Is it practical or just fake data? Otherwise, your forecasting is not going to work. Randomly, you need to check the prices. Let us say selling prices here 48.86. What is it? 48.86 for row number 4, 23 model. Hyundai 120 or 20, that model. Is it correct? That
I-20.
49 lakhs, 2023 model. Okay. So selling price and present price also is there. Because it created the test data, that is fine. But is it that test data is in realistic mode or different? You have to verify that.
Mm.
Randomly, you can verify that data also later. I mean, we are streamlining the design, Python script design in each task or in each step for model design purposes. So in data creation also, you can fine tune that, the columns and data values, verification, all that. Okay, now you show me output file for the same records, whether it is updated or not, wherever null values are
Okay. So in sixth row, seven present price is null value. Which one is Maruti Swift? Maruti Swift present price is null value. Present price and owner is null value. Seventh row. Then Maruti Swift. This is 37 and owner is 2. 2 owners. This one's that Maruti Swift is filled with 37 value. Hello, sir.
Siva, did you get what is the issue?
So yes, sir. Here we have Maruti Swift. We have fourth row, fourth column. Present price is null value. For Maruti Swift. So that data for Maruti Swift is filled with this value 37. Selling price 33 for both. Sir, hello.
Yeah, what happened?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now, do you need to update the script or what?
No, sir. Yeah. No, I'm not updating script. I'm just checking
Is
with
it for source data creation or for correcting the data? Which Python script?
the data pre-processing script.
Okay. Okay. Anyhow, we reviewed it. We identified some gaps now. So within the data pre-processing, then tomorrow we'll see other things. We'll stop here.